The minimum intensity of light to be detected by human eye is 10 raised to minus 10 watt per meter square. The number of photons of wavelength 5.6 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter entering the eye with pupil area of 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per second for vision will be. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि हमारी जो ह्यूमन आई है, ह्यूमन आई that can detect a light of minimum intensity, मतलब कम से कम इतनी इंटेंसिटी होनी चाहिए लाइट की. कितनी इंटेंसिटी? I is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 वोट पर मीटर स्क्वायर. अगर इससे कम इंटेंसिटी की लाइट आएगी तो वो लाइट will not be detected by the human eye. So we know intensity I is equal to energy per unit area and per unit time. So इतनी इंटेंसिटी मिनिमम होनी चाहिए इलेक्ट्रॉन को, लाइट को सॉरी, डिटेक्ट करने के लिए. सो अब क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि कितने फोटोन्स आए ऑफ वेवलेंथ 5.6 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter on the pupil of area A is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter square, so that we can easily detect the light. So intensity I should be equal to number of photons per unit time into hc by lambda into area. So further intensity की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 10 raised to minus 10 into wavelength की क्या वैल्यू है, that is 5.6 into 10 raised to minus 7 into area is 10 raised to minus 6 divided by the Planck's constant 6.64 into 10 raised to minus 34 and speed of light 3 into 10 raised to 8. This is equal to n by t, number of photons in unit time. So on solving this, we will get the number of photons per unit time to be equal to 300. So looking at option C is the right answer.